Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. So yeah, RUNE, I'm getting a bit, I don't want to say concerned, but I think we still also here need a fourth wave and we need a fifth wave to finish this. The reason is unless it rallies now, there is a good chance it drops down to roughly 80 to 90 cents. Yeah, because the break below the 78.6 fib retracement will give that impulse to the downside more of a chance. Increased selling pressure, the bears will get into control below 120. And the fact is, we haven't seen any impulsive reversal. In fact, we've actually seen the 120 level taken out briefly. So what I assume still, and this count is actually still valid here, but I assume we still need a fourth and a fifth. Yeah, that would also then make sense in light of maybe taking out this ABC and just counting it as a 5-wave move, because this A and B was anyway too short for the C wave down the way it's coming down now. And that puts the entire move to the upside here in a light where we can say, yes, it was only a diagonal. We talked about that. Waves 1 and 4 did overlap. So as always with the diagonal, you need proof in a wave 2. It has, in my opinion, RUNE is one of the coins that had and still has one of the clearest bottoms, yeah, here in November. And it indeed had and still has a chance that the bear market low was in already. But we just need to be aware that below 120, things are going to get very, very difficult. So because we haven't seen any impulsive reversal yet, and it's already so deep, and I still think we get a fourth and a fifth for Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's a good chance we make that one more low. Now, again, that doesn't mean we have to break the November lows, but things are going to get difficult below the 78.6 retracement, so I'd rather warn you. I will also change the color of this support area now, unfortunately, to orange. It was green, but now I'm going to, just because I think it's going to break. But it is still support in the way, right? So it's still there, that support level. Wave 2's orange. So yeah, it just highlights more risk. I will also add the 88.7 fib level just for information, because this is sort of really the last fib level on the scale. So the way it's going is, because I think we get a fourth and the fifth, and had we bottomed already, it would be likely to see already that strong reversal. So it's looking, we might get that fourth shortly, but even here it's not doing much. And then one more wave 5. And if the wave 5 can hold $1.10, fine. Yeah, but below 110, I mean, that's already below 120, things are going to get difficult. And if you look at this chart, it's coming down really impulsively. And the move up, in light of the correction, the move up looks very corrective, actually. So it rather looks like an impulse down and a correction up due to this strong movement here. Yeah, unfortunately. So yeah, might be weak. But even then, the chances are that even if we make a low below the November lows, it might only be a little bit lower and then starting from there. So that's sort of how I could, how I see it with RUNE. Bit too early to really confirm it, but if this is really a 5-wave move down, what would be target for the fourth? Let's say we have the 3 waves down complete. Yeah. In fact, actually, I would then probably say the wave 1 started here and we had here a leading diagonal. 1 second, this one. Yeah, no, it's fine. We could say wave 1 started from there, but it doesn't make a great difference in terms of the fibs. Well, I just want to show you what would be the target for the fourth wave if it starts now. I will take it off the chart again, but just to show you. So yeah, the fourth wave, I would expect it to go to at least 133, maximum 151. Above 151, we have to assume a low was already in. And in any bounce, I would expect it would actually be likely, and it should really get to 133. But we haven't really seen the beginning of such bounce yet. Okay, it's the ideal time for such a bounce, but we can. I mean, if we measure what's actually the target for that wave 3 there, that was actually reached here at 122. So it's fine. It has the possibility and the likelihood now to turn around at least for a fourth wave, maybe something more bullish. But it seems like we get one more 4 and 5 in line with Bitcoin. and then it should move up a bit and come down, and then we need to see how low does the wave 5 go. As long as it's holding the November lows, I mean, the count eventually is still valid as a 1-2. It's just that it will get very unlikely that it still works out in this particular pattern. As long as it breaks below 120, it will be difficult, right? So it just means that it increases the chances significantly that we're going to drop below $1, and then my target would be 80 to 90 cents. Okay, that's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.